In 1993, Alfa Romeo shocked the DTM with a 2.5-liter V6 revving to 11,500 RPM and 420 horsepower, all-wheel drive, F1 tech, pure dominance. Nicola Larini took 12 wins and the championship, beating the Germans at their own game. The 155 V6T that wasn't just fast, it became a legend.